Hi guys, I wanted to do a quick video to show you how to access Miss Pigg's Google Classroom for K2. She and I have talked about some enrichment activities to help you get a good challenge while you're working at home. So she has developed a Google Classroom of her own for groups that she was seeing in K2. So I'm going to show you how to find that and join. So if you log into your Wake ID portal, and you'll see the page that I'm showing right now, and then you'll click on your Google Classroom. And when you click on your Google Classroom, you should see something like this pop up. It says Mrs. Pigg K2 Groups. When you see that, you'll click where it says Join, and you'll enter the class code that I'm going to share with you. So the message that is with this video in Class Dojo will have the code. You'll enter the code to join the class, and then she has posted several different activities. So I'm going to go in right now and show you how to get to those, because I've already joined the class, so I didn't have to do that. But once you've joined, you click to open it like this, and you can scroll through, and each one of these little rectangles is an assignment that she's made. So if you scroll down to one that's interesting to you and you might want to try it, like this one says Star Wars Word Matrix, because it was just the 4th, May the 4th be with you day the other day. So when you click on the assignment, you'll see the directions. It says have some fun creating words from certain categories using the letters from Star Wars. But if you come over here to the right, you can click on where you will do the assignment. So you click that, and it should come up. Here we go, hang on. And then an assignment will come up, and you can see here it says Star Wars Word Matrix, May the 4th be with you. This was assigned the other day on May 4th. And it has directions for the activity and what you can do. And there's reading, writing, puzzles, math. There's all kinds of different activities in her classroom. So have fun doing some fun things with Miss Pigg.